Hello students, this is NCERT problem 1.3 from page number 22 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? And let's read the statement first. So calculate the amount of water produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane, okay? They have given you the quantity of methane, that is 16 gram, and they are saying when you will burn methane in the presence of oxygen, how much amount of water will be produced. Okay, so first write the reaction. I know that whenever I'll burn methane in the presence of oxygen, right, it will produce carbon dioxide plus water, right? Now the reaction is not balanced, so first we will balance the reaction. Here in reactant side I'm having one atom of carbon, okay, and product side again there is one atom of carbon. In reactant side I am having four atoms of hydrogen, and in product side there are two. So if I'll multiply water with 2, it will be 4 atoms of hydrogen, right? Now in reactant side I am having 2 atoms of oxygen, and in product side I am having 2 plus 2, that means 4 atoms of oxygen. So what I'll do, I'll simply multiply this O2 with 2, right? Now the reaction is balanced. Now in this question we will use the relation 1 mole equal to molecular mass. Okay, now in this question there are methane and water only. That means they have given you the amount of methane and asking you to find the amount of water produced by the combustion of methane. So for this we have to find the molecular mass of methane as well as molecular mass of water, so that we can apply the unitary method, right? So first we will find the molecular mass of methane. So molecular mass of methane, that means CH4, equal to atomic mass of carbon plus atomic mass of hydrogen. There are 4 atoms of hydrogen, so into 4, right? So atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole plus atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole. There are 4 atoms, so I'll multiply this with 4, right? So 12 plus 1 into 4, that means 4. I have taken the units common, right? So 12 plus 4, that will be 16 gram per mole, right? So this is the molecular mass of methane, right? Now I have to find the molecular mass of water also. So molecular mass of H2O, that means if I'll add the atomic mass of hydrogen, there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, so it will be into 2 plus atomic mass of oxygen, I'll get the molecular mass of water. Okay, so atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole into 2 plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram per mole, right? So I'll take the units common, right? So 1 into 2, that means 2 plus 16, right, gram per mole equal to 18 gram per mole, right? So now let's see the equation, right? Here 1 mole of methane reacts with 2 moles of oxygen, produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water, right? So 1 mole equal to molecular mass, that means 16 gram per mole of methane reacts with oxygen and will produce carbon dioxide plus 2 moles of water. 1 mole of water equal to 18 gram, so that will be 2 into 18 gram per mole equal to 36 gram per mole. What does it mean? It means 16 gram per mole of methane produce 36 gram per mole of water, right? So this is the answer of your question. So we'll write 16 gram of CH4 will produce 36 gram of water.